This is our latest build. It's a 1999 CT110 Postie bike. What started out as an average looking Postie bike, transformed it into a tribute bike to Jorge Lorenzo, MotoGP world champion, Honda rider, and we thought it was fitting that he should have a tribute bike such as this. Still got the old back wheel in there, waiting on some parts. What we've done is we've cut down the back guards slightly, probably about 100mm shorter. Give it that little bit of a sleek look. Nice new stoplight, indicators. Cut down the size of the tray on the back. Pretty much about a third of the size. Had the seat redone. Brilliant colour scheme. New shocks. A lot of new parts on it. Engine's been gone through. Runs sweet. Change the bars, position of the speedo, change the headlight, shorten down the guard front and back, new spokes, new rims, headlights new, going to fit LED headlight, and everything should be up to scratch probably in a couple of weeks' time. The front rim's been done, but back one, as I said, we've still got parts coming, so no rush.